Good morning, everyone. Welcome to session 2. I hope you've returned feeling fed and watered, got to sample some of the delicious refreshments, enjoy some networking opportunities, maybe use the selfie frame. So this is the brand new customers only session. But before we begin, I've just got a small bit of housekeeping. So unfortunately, if you registered and confirmed your place at the conference before the 1st of October, you're not actually eligible to attend this session. You see, this session is for far more recent registrations only. So if you were organised and booked early, well, I'm afraid I'm going to have to ask you to leave now. Of course, I'm joking. You're all most welcome to stay and join in with the discussion which will follow our 3 speakers. Whew, that was a bit awkward, wasn't it? I imagine some of you in the room were feeling a bit uncomfortable for a moment there. Perhaps punished without really understanding why. No one likes to feel excluded, particularly without understanding why, and that leads us nicely onto today's session. So earlier in the year, particularly if you hang out on LinkedIn, you may have been aware of a debate that arose when a certain insurer withdrew fracture cover from their offering. The reaction from some people got a little bit spicy. Was it justifiable? Should it be expected? Or was it unreasonable? This room is full of insurers looking at how to improve their products, thinking about customer need and how to make sure their offering is appropriate and relevant for today's consumer. It's not uncommon to hear of launches for new product features, new benefits, but sometimes these benefits are available only to new customers, not to existing policyholders, those customers who've been paying premiums for years in some cases. Is product innovation and evolution, which we talked about this morning, to be celebrated if it isn't available to all of our customers? Of course, this scenario is not unique to our industry. This isn't just a protection insurance thing. I'm sure many in this room have experienced situations, maybe with a mobile phone network, where you've seen a fantastic deal offered, but it's not available to you because you've already signed up. So your choice is to accept what they tell you or try and haggle. And if it's not a mobile phone network, maybe it's a bank offering attractive interest rates, but only to new sign-ups, ignoring those customers who've been with them for years. And yet, in some industries, this would be simply unthinkable. Upgrades apply to all customers. I'm thinking Netflix or Spotify here. So why are things the way they are in protection? Is it a marketing gimmick? Is it a systems issue? Is it risk, underwriting, and pricing? Is it just the way things have always been, so that's the way we do it? Regardless of the reasons why we do it, this session will invite you to consider whether it's the right thing to do. What impact does it have on loyalty and trust if we offer new features and upgrades to new customers only? Or if we make them available to everyone? What's the impact on a business of backdating upgrades? Is that sustainable? This is an important debate to have if we're serious about growing the market. We need to think about how we attract new customers and how we treat existing ones. No doubt, we're also all wondering what the regulator makes of this too. I'm about to introduce our 3 speakers, and I invite you to sit back and listen to what they have to say and decide what you think. Are you in favour of the new customers only approach? Do you understand the reasons why it happens? Or do you believe that a customer is a customer and all customers should be treated the same regardless? As always, our aim today is to provide you with a light bulb moment, a new way of looking at things or an idea of what you might consider next within your own role. I've no doubt that the speakers you're about to hear, by sharing their own perspectives, will spark a lively and honest discussion.